Hi, my name is Roberto Vasquez, and congratulations and thank you for choosing Germain Lexus. We're honored to welcome you into the Lexus family and look forward to taking care of you and your vehicle for many years to come. While you're familiar with our showroom, our service center is located just a few minutes away at 6500 Shamrock Boulevard. Now I will introduce our service director, who will share some of our exclusive benefits from Lexus ownership.
Hi, I'm Elena Bankus. My service experts are here to make sure you have an exceptional service experience throughout your ownership. Your new or L-certified Lexus includes complimentary services performed by Lexus Master Certified Technicians. We recommend protecting your investment by servicing every 6 months or 5,000 miles. You can schedule by using the Lexus app, our website, or by calling us. Your Lexus comes with 12 months of car washes and resets to 12 months after every service visit. Operating the car wash is easy. A sticker will be placed on the inside of your windshield. Pull under the barcode reader and wait for the arm to raise. Pull on the track and place the vehicle on neutral. Press and hold the start button for 2 seconds and the car wash will take it from there. Please make sure to visit the service center to pick up your welcome gift, schedule your first service, and get your car wash barcode. Welcome to the Germain Lexus family. We look forward to servicing your vehicle soon.